I thought the Queen of London, Elizabeth. La emzansi bathi Elizabeth. I grew up knowing her. And so I mean, Hitler was Shona akhona. So tells you we are good.
Oh,
Hitler akhona, she was there. So
okay. Can I ask you a question? Like, what does it take in them and so for you to live that long? Is it the food? Is it the money?
it's the food.
It's the money.
It's the food.
Okay, never mind the food and the money. What are you thinking about?
Yo. I think
all
it's
the
so.
things you've been through, Dama. Like, you're still in tax, Dama. You've seen like the first World War and shit.
And the second war, and the third one, which is COVID.
It's trauma you're not made right now.
Dama, don't go into experience COVID.
Hey, too. They came me border, she experienced that. COVID, she experienced that.
AIDS,
Dog.
TB,
Corona.
cholera,
The Japan bomb, she was there. Swine flu, she was there.
Every fucking thing, dog.
Damn. Xenophobia, she was still there.
And she's xenophobic.
But in PP, she was there.
Dead, dog.
Kasane.
So imagine, ucabanga ngani by that time? At that age.
For me, it's trauma, dog. It's either a trauma or the very she conscious yakhe see accepted.
So trauma, if you trauma, would you say you depression?
It's trauma, dog. It's depression,
Don't you think who healed you? Dala, and still eventually
you can't heal them. Usakwazi ucabanga into eyenzakala kuna 6, 5. You're at this age right now, 20 something years old.
Okay, so let's say you exhale. Would you say I'm forgiving?
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck that bitch anyway.
Familiar boy.
I can't even say I'm focusing. It's more of okay. You're once in my bed, feeling.
So let's say at the age of 60.
I'm going to
Don't you think
That's why I'm asking, what does it take for a person to live that long? It's the money. The money man comes with a certain type of.
Comes with responsibility.
Like, have you ever experienced not per se heartbreak,
a broken heart, dog.
Like backlash when money down. I mean, when they damn I remember that next day I was getting paid. I was happy as a motherfucker. And I like a bitch. That shit was supposed to hurt my head, but boom. Like, fuck.
Yeah.
Took myself out and shit. It's a
but
like being happy, dog.
It's the food. It's the food.
It's like
money, man.
Like a throughout like pay and magic no chilling. If you got money, it's a funny influence.
Yeah, we're solid. It really different up because you definitely.
That's why I'm sure money. It's another
They cannot be depressed. Why depressed? But I feel that Imali solves that depression.
90% of it depression. The 10% to high.
Yeah. Oh, that is definitely true. And the 10% it matters. Because we have Bulara. Some niggas kill themselves. 10%.
Yeah, and it's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's just 10. 10%.
That 1% consists of a lot.
A lot, yeah. You break it down into like family, black tax, what. But like, mind you got money, they gotta tax you. And then Isa sipping the cocotte. And then you matunusa, lotunusa every day. Apinda cocotte. Isisu sakho siphinde sikokote, but this is cocotte every day. Because the petrol, Russia is influencing our petrol, niggas. What's I supposed to say?
Russia influence petrol. Palagmeles, Russia. So
so
Russian influence petrol.
It goes. Hey, this thing's got bars lately.
Trejo Tebujo from Turf Loop. but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung